Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel where I share the amazing benefits of natural spices and herbs. In today's video, I'm going to talk about turmeric, a yellow spice that comes from the root of a plant in the ginger family. Turmeric has been used for thousands of years in India and other Asian countries as both a spice and a medicine. But what does turmeric do to your body when you use it with cooking? Let's find out. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin can help prevent or treat many health conditions that are linked to inflammation and oxidative stress, such as arthritis. Curcumin can help reduce joint pain and stiffness by blocking the enzymes that cause inflammation in your joints. Ulcerative colitis. Curcumin can help heal the ulcers and inflammation in your colon by modulating the immune system and suppressing the production of inflammatory chemicals. Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin can help protect your brain from the buildup of amyloid plaques, which are sticky protein fragments that impair your memory and cognition. Cancer. Curcumin can help prevent or slow down the growth of cancer cells by interfering with various molecular pathways that are involved in cancer development and spread. Diabetes. Curcumin can help lower your blood sugar levels by improving the function of insulin, which is the hormone that regulates your glucose metabolism. But how can you use turmeric with cooking to enjoy these benefits? Well, there are many ways to incorporate turmeric into your diet. You can add turmeric powder to your soups, stews, curries, rice, vegetables, eggs, and even smoothies. You can also make turmeric tea by boiling water with turmeric, ginger, lemon, and honey. You can also use fresh turmeric root, which has a more intense flavor and color than the powder. You can peel and grate the root and use it as you would use ginger. You can also juice the root and drink it as a shot or mix it with other juices. However, there are some things you need to know before you start using turmeric with cooking. First, the amount of curcumin in turmeric is not very high, only about 3% by weight. That means you need to consume a lot of turmeric to get enough curcumin for its health benefits. Second, curcumin is not very well absorbed by your body. It is quickly metabolized and eliminated from your system. That means you need to enhance its bioavailability or the rate at which your body absorbs it. There are two ways to do that. One is to combine turmeric with black pepper, which contains a compound called piperine. Piperine can increase the absorption of curcumin by 2000%. The other way is to consume turmeric with some fat or oil, since curcumin is fat-soluble. You can use coconut oil, olive oil, butter, or ghee to cook with turmeric. Third, turmeric can have some side effects and interactions with certain medications. Turmeric can thin your blood, lower your blood pressure, and increase your stomach acid. That means you need to be careful if you have a bleeding disorder, take blood thinners, have low blood pressure, or have a stomach ulcer. You also need to consult your doctor before using turmeric if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any medical condition or take any medication. Turmeric can also stain your teeth, skin, and clothes, so be careful when handling it. So there you have it. Turmeric is a wonderful spice that can do wonders for your health. But remember, moderation is the key. Don't overdo it with turmeric, and always check with your doctor before using it. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might benefit from turmeric. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.